Hey everyone, today I'm sharing the top 5 money hacks that totally changed my life. We're talking about going from broke to feeling like I'm swimming in a pool of cash, all thanks to these simple tricks. I used to think saving money meant eating ramen noodles for every meal, but let me tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. These hacks are so easy, even I can do them. Let's dive right in. Okay, first up is budgeting. I know, it sounds boring, right? But trust me on this one, it's like a superpower for your money. All you gotta do is write down everything you spend, every single dollar. You can use an app, a spreadsheet, or even just a plain old notebook. I personally love using colorful pens and highlighters. Makes it way more fun. By tracking your spending, you'll see exactly where your money is going and where you can cut back. It's like a game. Challenge yourself to spend less each week. You'll be surprised how much you can save just by being more aware of your spending habits. Next up is couponing. This isn't just for your grandma anymore. We're talking about becoming a master of discounts, finding those hidden deals, and feeling like you're winning every time you shop. There are tons of websites and apps out there offering coupons for everything you can imagine. Seriously, groceries, clothes, electronics, you name it, there's a coupon for it. I once saved like $50 on a single grocery trip just by using coupons. It was insane. Print them out, clip them from newspapers, or download a coupon app. Just start using them. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Let's talk DIY. Instead of shelling out big bucks for someone else to fix things, why not try doing it yourself? There are tons of tutorials online that make it super easy to learn basic home repairs, crafts, even some basic car maintenance. The first time I fixed a leaky faucet myself, I felt like a superhero. Plus, I saved a ton of money on a plumber. You don't have to be Bob the Builder to tackle simple DIY projects. Start small, learn as you go, and before you know it, you'll be a DIY pro, saving money left and right. All right, this one is for the long haul. Investing. You might be thinking, investing? That's for rich people. But nope, anyone can do it. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, starting early is key. Compound interest is like magic. The earlier you start, the more your money grows over time. It's like planting a money tree that just keeps on giving. There are tons of apps and websites that make investing easy and accessible for everyone. Do some research, find one that works for you, and start growing your wealth. Last but not least, let's talk about spare change. I used to just let my coins pile up on my dresser, but then I realized I could be turning that spare change into serious cash. There are a few ways to do this. You can use a spare change jar and deposit it in the bank when it's full, or use an app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It might not seem like much, but those small amounts add up over time. It's like having a secret savings account that grows without you even realizing it. Thanks for watching. I hope these money hacks help you save some serious cash. Remember, you don't have to be a millionaire to manage your money like a boss. With a few simple tricks, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Now go out there and start saving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tips. See you next time.